Welcome to this Mitel training video. This video teaches partner engineers how to perform a manual security root certificate update for AX, CX, CXI, LX, MX or MXE systems. So why do we need to do this? On the 21st of August 2020, the AMC MiVoice Business Security or Root Certificate will expire. When this happens, the system will go into critical license violation unless a new certificate is added to the system. This process is outlined in the document Root Certificate Update Procedures for Pre-MiVoice Business 9.0 and demonstrated in this training video. Mitel has issued a new security root certificate for all versions shown on this slide. Before starting the upgrade, you will need access to the MiVoice Business Controller, the appropriate AMC root patch, a WinSCP or SFTP application to transfer it to the controller, and you also need the application PuTTY to access the RTC shell. This is the process we will be following. Step 1. We will file transfer the patch to the appropriate system. Step 2. We will install that patch on that system. Step 3. We'll perform an AMC sync to update the newly installed certificate. And Step 4. We will validate if the new certificate is in use after the AMC sync. Step 1. File transfer of the root certificate to the 3300 controller. So the first thing is to create a new site using FileZilla. This time we'll be using FTP. We add our host address and our username and password. We press connect and OK. We need to make sure this time that we have the transfer type set to binary. Once we've done that, we can connect to the site, accept any pop-ups, and we can transfer the file. We do this by moving the root certificate file, rootcert 2040_ppc, into the sysrow folder on the controller. Step 2. Installing the root certificate. Using the PuTTY application, we are going to add the host address and connect with the port 2002, connection type raw, click open, and we're connected to the MIVB. We now log into the system command line and enter the system shell. Now we need to install the root certificate by typing the command load ld, the source directory, that's sysrow, and the file name of the patch, rootcert 2040_ppc. Press return and wait for the certificate to install. And you can see it says new root certificate activated. Step 3. Perform AMC sync to update AMC with newly installed certificate. First, we log on to the MIVB and go to the license section and then click on change, retrieve licenses. This will then contact the AMC with the new certificate to make sure the certificate is installed correctly. And finally, step 4. To validate if the new certificate is in use after we've done the sync. To be sure the new certificate has been accepted properly, log on to the AMC, search for your ARID, and check that the software version here reads 0.9 at the end. This will indicate that your certificate has been installed correctly. That completes the update training. If you do have any problems, there is a full troubleshooting guide in the procedures document. If you need support, this can be done through your normal support channels. And don't forget, this is an excellent opportunity to talk to your customer about the value of SWA. Thank you very much.